To get started, you need to inflate a twisting balloon only about halfway. You see all the space that is not inflated at the end? Well, this is very important because every time you will twist your balloon, the air will be pushed back all the way in that reserve. Now, before you can start making bubbles, you have to give a job to each one of your hands. One hand will be the holding hand, and it will have the easiest job. Since I'm right-handed, I chose my left hand for that easier job. The other hand will be the twisting hand. That's the hand that will work most of the time, and that's why I chose my right hand for that busier job. Now, of course, if you are left-handed, you'll probably want to change it the other way around. Now you can start. Hold the twisting balloon with your two hands placed at the spot where you want the bubble to be formed. Pinch the balloon right there with your two hands. And now, while the fingers of your holding hand keep the bubble in place, the fingers of your twisting hand must twist the other part of the balloon around for at least 3 full turns. It can be towards you or away from you, but you can never change afterward. Very good! You made your very first bubble.